Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Aweber and supercharge your email marketing game? Welcome to the ultimate step-by-step video training series where you'll discover exactly how to set up, build, and manage your email list using Aweber's most powerful tools and features, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro. In this comprehensive training, we'll take you through everything you need to know about Aweber, one of the most trusted and reliable email marketing platforms in the industry. We'll dive into how to create your account, set up your email list, and get started with the essential features that will help you build a responsive email list fast. Building an email list is more than just collecting emails. It's about nurturing relationships that convert into loyal customers. We'll show you step-by-step how to create high-converting opt-in forms, integrate them with your website, and segment your audience for personalized communication. Plus, learn how to set up automated follow-ups that work 24/7 to engage your subscribers. Managing your list effectively is key to your email marketing success. Aweber's powerful tools make it easy to organize your subscribers, track their behavior, and optimize your campaigns. In this section, we'll cover how to manage your list, create tags, and track performance so you can make data-driven decisions that increase your open rates and conversions. Ready to start making money with your email list? We'll guide you through the process of setting up profitable email campaigns and sales funnels that drive revenue. Learn how to craft compelling email sequences that lead your subscribers from interest to purchase, maximizing the value of every lead. Imagine automatically adding all your customers directly to your autoresponder without lifting a finger. Our plug-and-play software seamlessly integrates with Aweber, keeping fully searchable records of all your orders and making your life easier. Not only will you gain mastery over Aweber, but with our Master PLR Rights License, you can resell this entire Aweber List Manager PLR package, rebrand it, and keep 100% of the profits. This is your chance to not only grow your list, but also generate an additional income stream. Don't wait. Click the button below and get instant access to the entire Manage Your Email List with Aweber video training series. Learn how to build a bigger, more responsive list, and start making money online today with Aweber's powerful tools and our step-by-step guidance. Everything you need to succeed is just one click away. Click below to start your journey to email marketing success now.